dumb, dog. You almost lost her this time. And for what? All because of your cold, selfish pride. I mean, she'd do everything for you to at least shine. And all she wants in return is just a bit of your time. Man, she be buzzing too much. I feel like I do a lot. It's not enough, dog, especially for a woman that hot. You wanna do something about it? Start now, before it's too late. Let everything you keep inside out. I just want her to trust me and not accuse me. Well, put yourself in her position instead of making excuses. Can you forgive and forget from one day to another? Don't you think that what you've done doesn't really bother her, huh? I was dumb and stupid, I admit my mistakes. Well, you stupid and dumb now for not doing whatever it takes to show her your love, and that for her you will change. It's time to leave your childish ways and flip to the next page. I know I love her, and for her I'll do it. Make the effort and stick to it, cause you're not just a man, you're a husband. You can't lose it, you can't lose it. You're a husband, think smarter. Sometimes things can get a bit harder, and the ones you love deserve that part of you that feels like there's no tomorrow. Look at your son, growing up already. It seems like it was just yesterday he was a newborn baby. Why you get frustrated quick? Have more patience with him like your own father did. Man, it's hard having kids. Yeah, but you got one now. Man up and teach him to grow successful and proud. Never put him down. While you over there screaming at him, in his little mind, you ain't his friend or his father. The bond leaves farther and farther till it's gone. Then when he grows old, he'll look at you wrong. Dog, don't you see what's going on? I should pay more attention. I wanna give him everything I didn't have, that's my intentions. Nuh-uh, correction. Money can't solve your responsibilities. He needs your love more than he depends on your ability to buy material things. I love him and I just want the best for him. Understand, man, do your thing, but become a better example then. It's up to you to help him become a man. Start now and make up for what you and your pops lacked. A father and son bond, that's where it's at. Yeah. You're a husband, you're a father. Sometimes things can get a bit harder, and the ones you love deserve that part of you that feels like there's no tomorrow. Look at you now, dog, how far you've made it. Victory's so close now, you can almost taste it. Show all these non-believers that you ain't nothing to play with. Your mind's in a different place, they still stuck on the same shit. Man, I feel it now more than ever. After all these years, I kept getting better and better. Well, glad you feel that way. Keep on grinding every day, and you'll see that hard work pays off at the end of the day. My only concern is my family. I can't fail. I'll change for her. I'll be there for him. I'll make it for them. You're a husband, you're a father, you're a rapper, it doesn't matter. The ones you love do deserve that part of you that feels like there's no tomorrow. You're a husband, you're a father, you're a rapper. You're a husband, you're a father, you're a rapper. You're a husband, you're a father, you're a rapper. Yeah. You're a husband, you're a father, you're a rapper.